So today we are putting up wallpaper. This wall right here. Oh, okay, wait. It's super white.
Well, yeah, that's...
No, like you couldn't tell in the camera.
That you were looking at a wall?
Yeah. And Matthew is here.
I am.
He's helping me.
I am.
And he's done some construction work. He's good at putting things together. I'm also fairly... Oh! I feel like, okay, let's make that be a good sign for how well this turns out. We have never put up wallpaper before.
Everybody knows long, dragging thunderclaps are the bearer of good news. And hope.
Let's get started. Matt, read the instructions.
Starting a wallpaper project requires certain tools, such as the prerequisite step ladder.
That's what we have for a step ladder. Sturdy chair.
You will also need a work table of a good dimension.
This is what we have for a work table.
Whether or not you use an adhesive to cut out, measure, and trim your wallpaper. If the paper is pre-pasted, you will require a tub to soak it in prior to application. This isn't pre-pasted, right?
No. No.
If your paper is unpasted, you will need a container for the glue and a brush for its application. Well, we have one of the first 5 requested objects.
Yay! And that came with the kit that he's reading the instructions from.
Oh, you're right. Hashtag winning.
This is the time. 3:45.
To obtain a clean cut and use the tapestry brush.
We'll see you guys in a bit.
The tapestry brush.
Also, yesterday I went to Home Depot because... Important tip, when you are putting up wallpaper, all of the packages should have the same batch number. And I mean, who would know that? The person who read how to put up wallpaper before they actually bought the wallpaper, aka not me.
Sure.
So,
didn't the guy help you with the store and give you the wrong wallpaper? Is that what happened?
He just pointed me towards the wallpaper.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure he didn't know what he was
talking about. He said, good luck.
Yeah. And so I went back yesterday trying to get batch number 4. I had batch number 1, and all my face oils are on that now. All of it, man. We're almost 4 hours in, and we've gotten halfway. Yeah, we're about 3.5.
Sure.
Yay! That's what we have so far. We still have that to do. Hopefully it won't take 4 more hours. My mom saw it and she's like, it's just a brick wall. Like, that's all you're doing? Yeah. But you know what? It means so much more to me. And I'm going to decorate it, put some things up. It's going to be fine. But it was like, ooh, mama, ooh. Good morning, guys. Today is August the 9th, I believe. Yes, August 9th. And I am about to finish the wallpaper. Unfortunately, Matt isn't here with me today. He had a bit of muscle cramps from holding up the wallpaper. And I feel really bad because I dragged him into this. But he is recovering. So I'm going to finish it today. And I could ask for help. I have my mom, I have my brother, I have my mom's partner, Paul, here. But I don't know, I'm kind of stubborn. So, oh, that was the phone. Hold on. So this is what we're looking at right now. Haven't put up the tops yet, officially. And then I have this little portion to do. 36 hours later. Really, 6 hours that it took me to do this, and then the 30 hours that I didn't film, telling you guys I completed it. We are finished. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm actually so excited about it. Like, it's so much better than just having, let's just pan up there. That isn't quite completed yet, nor are the sides, but it just adds dimension. And I was looking at a white wall for almost 2 years now. And I was like, you know what? I'm over it. So essentially, I'm going to design this up a little bit. This is just corkboard that I put in a picture frame, and I mean, essentially I want this wall to be a huge vision board wall for me. I want to be able to wake up every morning and see what I want to accomplish, and I just always have it in the back of my mind. Though I did hear this guy named Jason Fried, and he's an entrepreneur. He was on the Tim Ferriss show podcast, and he said that he doesn't have goals. He's never set goals for himself. He doesn't have expectations for himself, and with that he frees himself up to just do as he pleases and enjoy each moment. And I thought that was so interesting, because for me, I need goals, because sometimes I find that I kind of veer off path a little bit or lose focus, and so every time I see my goals, it puts me in check. So it's like, how do you do that? But it's not for everybody, and yeah, that was just like an interesting thought. So actually, leave me in the comments below. Tell me if you are a goal setter or nah. Also, tell me if you schedule your days or nah, because I know a lot of people don't schedule their days. Just go wherever the day takes them. So yeah, essentially this is my vision wall. Oh, some things I want to say. If you are installing wallpaper on your own, buy a proper stepladder. I actually had to go to Canadian Tire and get a proper stepladder, because the like little futon step hassack, I think my mom calls it, was not doing Matt and I any favors at all. We kept like losing our balance on it, and then like the chair wasn't high enough, and it was just awkward and not a proper tool for the place that we have, because it's a very tiny area. And what else? Be prepared for it to take a couple hours, especially if you're doing it on your own. Like the time that Matt and I took to do one side was half the time it took me to do the other side, and I had less to do. So not to mention that like my hands are like meh right now, so I really had to take my time, give myself proper breaks when installing the wallpaper. And what else? And get yourself some good music, or even better, some podcasts to listen to. This would have been a perfect segue if I had a brand deal right now. I'd be like, oh guys, also I listened to some podcasts while I was doing the wallpaper. Not sponsored, totally not sponsored, but I was also listening to some podcasts which were really motivating as I was doing the wallpaper. So if you're doing the wallpaper, we honestly get someone to help you, and if you can afford it, if you have more money than time, just get a professional to do it. That also works. Thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate it when you guys watch the videos and comment and subscribe for more weekly videos. Good morning, noon, and night, wherever you are in the world, and I shall talk to you again soon. Catch you again next week.